Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to get WhatsApp message on Google Business Profile Review and generate replies with the help of ChatGPT. So here I am managing a restaurant chain and I am promoting it with the help of Google Business Profile. As you know, customer feedback is really important for the business. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new review by a customer on Google Business Profile, then automatically a notification should be received to me on WhatsApp along with all the details of the review as well as the rating and the comment. And after that, automatically with the help of ChatGPT, the reply should be generated for each of the comment and it should be posted. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Google Business Profile, WhatsApp, OpenAI and again Google Business Profile. And how we are going to do that without any coding and any programming skills? Simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how to reply to Google Business Profile reviews automatically with the help of ChatGPT and also to receive the WhatsApp message for each of the reviews. So I am managing a huge restaurant chain with the name as Hungry Folks and I am promoting my business with the help of Google Business Profile. So on Google, whenever I'm going to receive a new review for my business by a customer, then I want that automatically a reply should be generated with the help of ChatGPT and should be posted on that review. Also, I want to receive the name of the reviewer as well as the review and the rating he has posted as a notification on WhatsApp. So to automate this process, I am going to build a connection between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT and WhatsApp. And that I am going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let's get started quickly. Currently, I am on my home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, you can just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in now. Alright, this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. As you can see, I have created separate folders over here for different kind of workflows. I'm going to click on this create workflow option to create a new workflow. And as we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Get WhatsApp message on Google Business Profile reviews and generate replies with ChatGPT. So here, because my objective is to receive WhatsApp notification whenever I'm going to receive a new review on Google Business Profile and also to generate a reply for that same. So here, this is the name of my workflow according to that. Okay. After this, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save the workflow. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, I'm going to select a special folder which I have created for all the automations which I'm going to create for social media management, social media promotions and for business promotion on social media. So here I'm going to select social media automations as the folder. Then I will click on create. And as we've done that, you can see a screen is open in front of us which contains two extremely important windows. This is basically a blank workflow which contains trigger and action which we have to fill. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a new review is received through Google Business Profile, then automatically a WhatsApp notification should be received to me. So here I'm going to take Google Business Profile and trigger, and for receiving the WhatsApp message in the form of template, I am going to use AI Sensei over here. So let's say my action application over here is AI Sensei. Alright, when we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the review is received from from Google Business Profile for my restaurant, then only a message will be received to me on WhatsApp with the help of AI Sensei, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application over here. Our trigger application over here will be Google Business Profile. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have a list of events over here, 3 options: new post, new review and new review multi-location. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that event over here from the given options. Because my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new review on my Google Business Profile account, then I want to capture the response for that. Okay, so here we are going to build the connection now. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, we have 2 options over here: add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. To create a new connection, I am going to show you what you are supposed to. You have to go towards add new connection. You have to log into your Google Business Profile account already and you have to go towards sign in with Google. Now we'll select the account. Pabbly Connect is now asking for the permission to access our Google account. So let's click on continue. And as we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect is already built. Let's move forward. Here we have to select the account name, which is already selected, and the location. So I have 2 locations over here with a single account. I'm going to select Parampara over here. Alright, then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we will do that, the response will be captured. But before that, I have to tell you one more thing, that because Google Business Profile is based on 1 hour of polling time. Now what is polling time? Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take for capturing every new response. Because we have 1 hour of polling time for Google Business Profile. This means that now whenever we are going to receive a new review on Google Business Profile, after 1 hour the response will be captured over here inside Pabbly Connect. Currently when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the latest or the last review which was received. So I'm going to take you towards my Google Business Profile account first of all, and when we'll go towards the review section, here we have the reviews and this is the last review which we have received. I love the service. So when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the response of this latest review only. Okay, so let's go back. We'll click on save and send test request button now. If you want to capture a new response, you will first have to post a review and then you have to click on save and send test request button. Then you will receive that new response. Okay. So now because I have received the response, this is the latest review. I am going to generate the reply for this only for setting up this integration. Now here, first of all, you can see that in the response, we have received the updated time and date at which the account is updated. Here we have received the rating, the star rating which we have received from the customer. We have 5 over here. Then we have the image of the reviewer, I think over here. We have the reviewer ID. Then we have the display name, that means the reviewer name. We have the review name over here. Created date and time, on which date and at what time the review is received. And over here we have the comment. Alright. This is the same comment as I have shown you. I love the service. Because we have received the response, this means our connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now whenever we are going to receive a new review on Google Business Profile, the response will be automatically captured after 1 hour. After setting up the connection, because my objective is to receive a WhatsApp message for each and every review which I am receiving on Google Business Profile. So for that, I'm going to build the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. Let's move forward. Over here, we are going to select our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Now, here I have to tell you one more thing. I am using AI Sensei to receive the WhatsApp message. But in the place of AI Sensei, you can also connect any other application as well, such as Vati, WhatsApp Cloud API, Message 24/7 Interact, or etc. Okay, now as we have selected the application, let's select the action event. What we want to send the template message. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, what you have to do, you have to just go towards add new connection. You have to provide the API key, and how you're going to get that API key, that I'm going to show you over here. You have to go towards your AI Sensei account, and over here from the left side you will find the option of manage. After coming on manage section, here we will see the option of API key, and this is our API key. Let's copy it. We'll move back and paste it over here. Okay, let's click on save now. As we have done that, the connection between WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect is built already. So now we are going to move forward towards entering the details in these fields to send the message. First of all, it is asking us the campaign name. As I have told you that we are sending a template message every time. So to send that template message, we have to create a template first of all in AI Sensei, and then we have to link that template with a campaign, with a live campaign. In order to understand this, I'm going to take you back towards AI Sensei and we'll go towards the template message section. These are all the templates I have in my account. So here, this is the recent template which I have created for review alert. This is the preview of the message. New review alert. Someone just posted a review on your Google business profile. Rating, review, reviewer. Okay. So this is the message which I am going to receive every time I'm going to receive a new review on my business on Google business profile. It will contain the details such as the rating which I have received, 5-star rating, then the review comment, then the reviewer's name. Okay. Now, here you can see that these details are given in brackets. So I've used some variables in the template in order to replace the text. When we will use variables in the template, the details of that place will automatically get replaced whenever a new review will be received. So here, because I have used the variable for rating, review and reviewer, all these details are automatically going to replace whenever a new review will be received. Okay. So after completing the template, it will be sent for approval, and when it will be approved, you can use it in order to send the message. Once it is approved, you also have to link it with the campaign as I've told you. So now I'm going to launch a new campaign in front of you. So we'll go towards the campaign section over here and I'm going to click on launch button. Over here we'll select API campaign, and now you have to provide a name to the campaign first of all. So let's say the name of the campaign is new review alert. Okay, this is the name of my campaign. So I will have to link the campaign with a template also. So here the name of my template is review alert. I have selected the template and this is the preview of the template as you can see. So the template is linked with the campaign. Now we are going to launch this campaign. We will set it live. As we have done that, let's go towards campaign section. Over here, this is my campaign. It is already live. So we'll simply copy the name of the campaign. And then you'll once again go towards the campaign section. You will refresh the page once. And over here, you can see that my campaign is live. So now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and I will paste the name of the campaign which we have copied. Okay, after doing this, let's move forward. It is asking us the mobile number. We have to enter receiver's mobile number over here. Who is going to receive the message? Every time the review will be received from Google business profile, I am the one who is going to receive the message. So here I will have to enter my own phone number. So I will enter it manually only. Alright, because it is going to be same each time. We do not want it to change. Now the next is the username. Who is going to receive the message? I am the one who is going to receive the message. So in the username, I'm going to enter the name of my business, Parampara. Okay, then here we have to move forward. It is asking us the source, tags, etc. So I'm going to ignore these fields. We will directly move towards the template parameter. Now here in this field, we have to enter the parameters or the values for the variables which we have used in our template. I have used 3 variables in my template. First is for the rating, then we have for the comment, and then we have for the reviewer's name. So one by one, I'm going to enter the value for each of them. What I will do, I will simply map the data from my previous response. Here, this is my previous step. These are all the details I have received. First variable is for the rating. So here, this is the rating given. I will simply select it and it is mapped. Then I will use a comma, a space. Then the second variable which I have used is for the comment. So I will simply select the comment over here. Then I'm going to use a comma, a space once again. And here I'm going to map the name of the reviewer. In this way, when I have mapped these details, they have become dynamic. When we map the data, it becomes dynamic. And with each and every new response, it gets replaced. So now whenever a new review will be posted on our Google business profile, then the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So automatically, all these details are going to replace with the new details of that new review. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. Then here we will move forward. It is asking us the URL of the file name. If you want to attach any file along with the message, you can enter the URL of that file and the file name as well. Now we are going to simply click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, the response is received and it is saying that the message is sent. So let's check on WhatsApp whether we have received the message or not. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. New review alert. Someone just posted a review on Google business profile. Here we have all the details, the rating, review and the reviewer as well. This means that the connection is absolutely successful. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. Now my objective is to reply to that comment as well, because we are going to receive multiple comments on regular basis, multiple reviews and feedbacks. It is very important to reply to each of the reviews so that we can increase the customer engagement and satisfy the customer that they are being noticed and are important for us. All right. So now I cannot manually reply to each and every comment on my business. So here I'm going to use ChatGPT for that. As soon as the review will be received, ChatGPT is going to generate a unique and a good reply for my comment according to my choice. And then I'm going to automatically post it with the help of this automation on that same review. So let's click on this add action step button. Now we are going to use ChatGPT to generate the reply. For that, I'm going to use my action application as OpenAI. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event, that is ChatGPT. With the help of ChatGPT, I'm going to generate the reply for each of the comment. Let's click on connect. Now here, how you're going to build the connection, we have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. So in case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. Now how you're going to add the new connection, for that you will go towards new connection and you have to provide the token. So how you're going to get this token? For getting this, you just have to go towards this OpenAI API key page. First of all, you need to make sure that you're already logged into your OpenAI account. Then you have to go towards this hyperlink. It will take you towards API key page of OpenAI, and from there you can generate your token and paste it over here. Alright, because I already have generated the token and my existing connection is already here, so I'm going to use the existing connection only. Let's click on save. And as we have done that, the connection is built. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the model, by using which model you want to generate the content. I am going to use ChatGPT 4 over here to generate the content, but you can select any of the model according to your choice. You can also go for using ChatGPT 4.0, which is the latest version. Let's move forward. Here we have to enter the prompt. This is very important step for generating the content. Prompt is basically the command which we need to provide to ChatGPT, that what we actually want it to do for us. Here, because my objective is to generate the reply for the review which I have received, so my prompt will be related to that. Along with the point which you want, you also have to include all the details which you want in the content and all the details which you do not want. So here I'm going to enter the prompt as, so the prompt is generate a reply for the review I have received on Google Business Profile for my restaurant chain Parampara. I have given the name of my business as well. Now here I'm going to map the review which we have received, the comment of the review, and I've also included the instructions as the reply should be short and it should not include any extra symbol or point. Alright, according to your choice, here you can make the prompt very creative and you can include all the details which you want in your comment, as well as you have to provide the instructions what you do not want. Because I have included the name of my business as well, you will see in the reply, we will have the reply according to that only. Let's click on save and send test request button. And here we have the response. So here you can see, thank you for your kind words. We are thrilled you enjoyed the service at Parampara. We look forward to seeing you again soon. You can see here we have the reply and this is on point. Okay. And because as I told you, I have used the name of my business as well. So it has included the name. Now we'll move forward. Once we have received the reply, we are going to post the reply on the review which we have received. So let's click on this add action step button. Once again, we'll build the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect. So let's select our action application as Google Business Profile. Our action event will be create a reply. We want to create a reply to the review. Let's click on connect because we have already built the connection. So let's go with the existing one only. Now it is asking us the review name. We have received the review name in our earlier response, in the first response of Google Business Profile. So we will turn this mapping button on. We will simply map that review name over here. We have the name over here, as you can see. This is basically the review name, or we can say this is the ID which we have to enter it over here with the help of mapping. Because we have mapped it, so now it is automatically going to replace with each and every new review. Now we are going to map the reply, what you want to post as a reply. So here we have already captured the response of the reply from ChatGPT. Let's map that as well. And then we will simply click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, it is saying that the reply is posted. So I'm going to take you towards my Google Business Profile account once again. We will go towards all the reviews. And you can see over here, this is the review which we have received as a response. And over here, you can see that just now a reply is posted on this review. And this is the same reply which we have received from ChatGPT. This means that our connection is absolutely successful and also the workflow is running fine. So now let's quickly summarize what we have done in the workflow. We have used very simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Google Business Profile, and in action, we have taken WhatsApp by AI Sensei, OpenAI, and once again Google Business Profile. And we have connected all of them in such a way that now whenever we are going to receive a new review, a feedback or a comment on our Google Business Profile account, automatically we are going to receive a WhatsApp notification for that with all the details. It will contain contains the rating of the review, the comment which you have received, and also the name of the reviewer. And automatically a reply will also be generated for that comment with the help of ChatGPT, and it will be posted on that same review. So this is the entire automation. It is a long process, but if you will automate this, you will not have to do anything after that. Your work is done. So you will just have to take out 10 minutes to create this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect without any coding and any programming skills, and you are ready to increase your productivity and increase the customer engagement as well as your sale. So I hope this automation is clear to you and it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.